In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to MySQL database and from Java application, and how to do the insert and update and delete the data. First, you have to create the NetBeans project. I named it Learn MySQL. Before that, you have to install JDK in your machine and MySQL in your local machine. And after that, you have to download the MySQL JDBC driver. JDBC started to Java database connected driver. So, and after that, you have to add your project to that Java file. I already installed, put my into lib files, so I don't have to put again. Just like that, you can add MySQL JDBC driver to your project as external like this. So, and first after that, you have to create the class for connect to the database. Here we have few steps to before the connecting to database. First, load the MySQL JDBC driver. Here we want to select the Java SQL connection, and after that we have to put a try catch or close the exception. After that, we have to register the JDBC driver, just like that. Class.phoname and your driver name count.mysql.jdbc.drive. After that, open to connection to the database, because we are using that connection to insert and delete and search and update the data. In my previous video, I have created the Learn MySQL database. So in this video, I am going to connect to that Learn MySQL database. After that, my username, my database username, root, and my password. In here we are using all component under SQL components: SQL Java driver manager, SQL connection, SQL statement, like that. Then we are creating a method to get the connection. In here we are going to return the connection which created before. If we do that, so it is easy to reuse. I'm going to create another method to close the connection. Every time we are opening the connection, and we have to close the connection after the insert or delete or whatever the transaction. If it is not, your connection count is going up and your memory is going down and your application will be crashed. Yes, that is the connection class. Now I'm going to create the class for insert. In here I'm creating each classes for each operation. This is my insert query. Let me check the table name. I forgot the table name. In my previous video, I have showed you to how to set up the delete using the terminal. That is my table name, my users. Here I will insert few users to my users table. This step, I have to get the connection from the DB connection class. I have to create an object of the DB connection class, and after that I have to create the statement to the get connection. This statement is using for insert, create and update for basic operations. Now you can execute the query through the statement. Something went wrong. Let me check. Null point. Seems error with the connection method. I use the constructor instead of connection method. It will be fine. Yes, that fixed. Now we have to close the connection. That is important thing. If you open the connection in somewhere, and you have to close the connection. So yes, there are 4 users in my table, and next you can try the update query of the data. I create update data class, and I just copy and paste my previous insert code, and I'm going to change the insert query and I'm going to change the unselected user data. But that Gmail I used before, so I'm using another name. I rename my variable name. Let's run this code. Yes, it is updated. Previously it was it's at gmail.com, now it is look at gmail.com. Let's search the data. Oh, sorry. This is a select query. In here I'm going to get the data of user id is equal to tree, and here we are using resource set to get the data. Has no id 3, so I change it to 5, and because it's just like a list set of data, so we have to run it to the while loop and get the data. in your all columns coming like a row. That's why you're running through the while loop to get the raw data. Yes. My user is Ajit. Now delete query. Copy and paste the update data code. And other thing, you can download this project from GitHub. I uploaded to GitHub this project. And I would like to say this is, I'm not using best practices for this code because I'm learning to that for beginners who is having trouble with final year project or who is new to software engineering field. Yes, that is the